Hi everyone, I am Anna from BIMobject, and today we will talk about Frabo BIMobject, leading manufacturer of fittings for plumbing installations. We have designed a pipe, and now we want to make one that creates an angle of 90 degrees, so we can add a Frabo's product. To do it, we can use the Integrate BIMobject app for Revit. To search the product, we have two possibilities. Use the filters or write the name of the brand. Here we can see the products of Frabo. We choose the elbow product. Now we are in its product page, where we find some data, preview image, descriptions, and links for Frabo website for further information of this product. Then we have classifications, the list of countries where the product is available, and some properties. The Frabo's product pages can be seen both in English and Italian. Thanks to this page, you can also contact Frabo to be always updated about Frabo's releases. Now, the download. Thanks to BIMobject app, the object is automatically downloaded in Revit. This object will give us the possibility to create the connection between two pipes. An alternative procedure to use this product is to draw two pipes that create an angle of 90 degrees, and the fitting appears automatically. Thanks to the BIMobject app, we can always check the update of the product. And with Properties button, we can add further data. It is all for today. Thanks for watching this video and try to download the Frabo's object for your project.